Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the event of the decade, Investor Summit Portugal 2024. To purchase your ticket, you may go on www.businesssummit.net. You then select Events. Go to Register Now. Then select Buy Ticket. Click on Get Tickets. You may now choose your ticket. You may now proceed on to checkout. Press Continue. Fill in the billing information and the information about the client that is going to be attending the event. You now select the method of payment that is most convenient to you. Click on Place Order. Congratulations, you now have your Investor Summer ticket. I'll see you on the 15th of Feb 2024.